DC head-to-head Real Madrid when beat Barcelona in El Clasico 2025. The first one Real Madrid lost 3-4 to Barcelona in La Liga 2024 last season, and the next one Real Madrid lost again to 2-3 to Barcelona in Copa del Rey 2024 when Carlo Ancelotti coach, and now the next one is Real Madrid lost 2-5 to Barcelona in Super Copa España in 2024 in final. And Barcelona win, and Real Madrid lost 4-0 to Barcelona again in La Liga 2024. And the last one is international club friendly match. Real Madrid lost 1-2 to Barcelona in FIFA friendly match. Now we go to Real Madrid last 5 match before meet Barcelona at home at Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. And now Real Madrid lost 2-5 to Atletico Madrid in La Liga 2025. And the next one, Real Madrid won 5-0 to Kairan from Kazakhstan club in UEFA Champions League 2025. And the next one, Real Madrid won 3-1 to Villarreal in La Liga 2025. And the next one, Real Madrid win again. Real Madrid win 1-0 to Getafe CF in La Liga 2025. And the last one is the UEFA Champions League match. Real Madrid won 1-0 to Juventus from Italy Serie A match. And now we go to Barcelona last 5 match before meet Real Madrid at Santiago Bernabeu at away. The first one, Barcelona won 2-1 to Real Sociedad in La Liga 2025. And the next one, Barcelona lost 1-2 to Paris Saint-Germain in UEFA Champions League 2025. And the next one, Barcelona lost again 1-4 in Sevilla in La Liga 2025. And the next one, Barcelona come back to 1-2 to Girona in La Liga 2025. And the last one is UEFA Champions League match. Barcelona win 6-1 to Olympico from Greek Super League in UEFA Champions League.